Florida, and I have a 48-hour layover. We got in around like 4 last night, and I went out with a couple coworkers, so that was a lot of fun. And now today I'm taking it by storm by myself. So I literally just woke up. This is my bed hair. I changed what I'm wearing today. I'm going to be doing a lot of walking, so I need to hurry up and get ready so I can get out the door and get the day started. Hey y'all, so I made it out. I'm headed to Rainbow Row right now, which has like a whole bunch of cute houses with like rainbow colors. It's about a 20-minute walk. I think I have about like 15 more minutes left, so come along on this journey with me. I made it to the Charelston City Market, which is one of the oldest, I think, public facilities that's in like continuous use, so that's pretty cool. I think I'm spotting water right now, so hopefully I'm close by. Oh, I think I might be. This isn't Rainbow Row. It's really cute. It looks like it. I was just thinking to myself I wanted some ice cream, and boom, a gelato shop called Tinto y Crema, and I got the vanilla stracciatella, which was like my favorite ice cream when I was in Rome. So I tried it and it's so good, and it comes in this cute little lavender cone too. Watch, it's gonna start dripping all over me though. Guys, I made it to Rainbow Row, which is behind me here. Here's a better look at it. So I got some information on Rainbow Row. I overheard a group, and so apparently Rainbow Row is like the longest cluster of homes in the United States, which is very cool. I think in like the 1700s it burned down and like turned into the slums, and then in 1920s-ish, Suzanne Frost, I think that's her name, she like restored the buildings, and then it got all pretty and colorful. Since been restored and stayed restored. Basically going on my own little walking tour here. So I found my way in this antique shop. Oh, these things are insane. Okay, y'all, so I just got like a bubble tea soda from Phoebe Bubble Tea. It's pretty good, though I feel like I probably shouldn't have gotten boba in it because it's like a weird combo. The boba is not sweet, not the greatest, but the drink is pretty good. So I made it back to the hotel. I was out from about 11 to 2:33-ish, and I have literally just been like resting for the last hour. It's 4 o'clock right now, and so I'm dressed in my gym clothes right here, and I'm gonna go work out. I packed a bunch of food because this is a 6-day block for me, so technically when I get back tomorrow I could be called out again, but I'm not sure, so that's why I have a bunch of food. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go eat out or stay in tonight. I'll see how I'm feeling after this gym session. Before I work out though, I'll give you guys a little tour. So here's the bathroom. It's cute little bunnies over here, and then all my stuff. Here's the shower. Got all the Aveda products. My nails look very bad. My uniforms in the closet. We have a refrigerator with all the food that I was telling you all about. my boba. Okay. Here's the bed. My stuff again. Literally all my stuff over here. And then I got this chunk of land that I will work out in. And then they're doing a lot of construction, so my view is of construction. You love that. Guys, I was so ready. I walked all the way to the gym just to find out it's closed. So I think I'm just gonna do an in-room workout right now. Hey guys, so I'm now home from my trip from Charleston, and that trip actually turned into me going from Charleston to Seattle, and then I went from Seattle to Salt Lake. So kind of a long day yesterday. Went to Salt Lake, and then from Salt Lake I overnighted there, and then went Salt Lake to Seattle today, and now I am back home. I realized that I did not film anything after me working out. Pretty much all I did was I worked out, I ate some food, and then I just kind of like chilled. I wanted a chill night in. Castaway was on, so it was my first time watching that because I was kind of in and out of the movie, so I couldn't really tell you that much about it. I know Tom Hanks is in it, and he has a volleyball, yeah, and he gets, well, I'm not going to tell you the ending, but that's pretty much what I know is like the ending of the movie. And yeah, that's all I did. And then the next day I had till around 3 p.m. That's when we left. So I slept in. I got a biscuit from one of the biscuit shops around the corner, and I got like a breakfast biscuit sandwich that was really good. I should have got the name of the place because it was good, but I don't remember. And then I went to Salt Lake. So it was also my first time doing an overnight in Salt Lake, which I had never been downtown before, and so just driving through it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a lot bigger than, I don't know what I imagined when I thought of going to Salt Lake, but it was really big. So I got there, but by the time I got there, it wasn't like 11. It was late, so all I did was slept, and then I woke up and I was glad that I got my sleep in. So that was good. And now I'm here. And I'm on a 6-day block. So how I even got this Charleston trip was that I was on airport standby. I was supposed to be on airport standby from 5 a.m. to I think 10 a.m. And then around 6 a.m. I got a call from crew scheduling, and they asked me to join this plane. And so it was a 48-hour layover to Charleston, and I didn't know. I found out that we only do Charleston 48 hours on Mondays, and I just happened to be there on a Monday, and it was only Mondays for February. I don't believe we're doing them next month. As far as like what the crew told me, I'm not sure. I am on reserve, so it doesn't really, like, I don't really pay attention to all that stuff, but that was cool because what are the odds that I would get a 48-hour layover to Charleston? So I thought that was very cool. I do have an Alaska trip, so I'm doing the milk run for the first time tomorrow, so that will be fun. And then I lay over in Anchorage, and we'll be back in Seattle for my one day off, because that's how I built my schedule. One day, and then I get to hang out with some friends, and then off to work I am again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.